going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be trying something a little different. I know I'm really not getting into sublimation, but I heard about this, so I want to give it a try for myself. I'm going to try to actually sublimate onto a 100% cotton t-shirt using Caesar HTV glitter. I have my sublimation already cut out. It's just a little trial and error test for me, just because I've been trying a lot of things with sublimation on the side, so I wanted to set up the camera and try this one out to see how it works out. So I've heard that you could use the HTV glitter from Caesar and you could sublimate that. I also heard you could use the clear vinyl, and I'm pretty sure there's another one out there that you could do, but for right now this is the one that I have. I'm going to try it out, see if it works. So I'm getting my heat press heated up, and I'm going to get right into pressing this on the shirt and see what it comes out like. Okay guys, I got the camera right up on the press so you can see what I'm doing. Like I said, I never did this before. I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. I know everybody else is going to be like, hey, you should have did this time, that time. So what I'm doing is I'm going to just tack on the vinyl first, and then I'm going to put this sublimation print onto the glitter vinyl, which I have here. So like I said, I have this at, I could actually put this down. I'm going to put this down to 315 right now, just to tack on the vinyl for 15 seconds. Everything I use in this video I'll put in the description. So, I just want to see if this works. I've heard it works. I've looked it up and read stuff about it, but everybody's different, so I mean, I'm gonna try it for myself first. I don't want it to bleed, so I'm gonna put this butcher paper up under here, and then I'm actually gonna put tape too. I'm gonna try to put it around the edges. Butcher paper I got off Amazon. Try this quick. Pre-press, get all the wrinkles out of it. I only pre-press for about 5 seconds. This is 100% cotton Gildan shirt. About center right there. This is going to be really hot, so just be careful when you're doing this. Make sure everything's... I'll speed this up in the video. Get yourself a temp gun if you got one of these generic presses. Alright, pretty much right where we need to be at so I can tack this up. Medium to firm pressure. I have it at 315 for 15 seconds right now. Then I gotta up it because I know the sublimation has to be a lot longer. This is the Caesar glitter. Peel it up real quick. Pull this down a little bit so I don't burn myself. So I can put this tape around it. High temp heat tape, also on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for that. Got my tape cut up. I'm gonna go right up to the edges on this. I don't think it's gonna bleed, but just to be safe. sublimation paper. I'll put that in the description too also. Looks like I'm all lined up here. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a test shirt. It's an old shirt I'm using. All right, let me put this temperature up. I'm gonna go up to 390 on this. Okay. I'm just gonna go about 40 seconds. I'm not gonna go about 45 seconds. All right, guys. So I taped down the edges of the sublimation paper too, just so doesn't move, I don't get no ghosting. I also loosened up my heat press, so that way I'm not smashing it into this completely. Just because I'm just trying this out, I just want to see if this will work, so maybe then I could be able to do other things with sublimation. Let's see, I got it on 45 seconds, I don't want to go crazy. We're up to temp on here, on heat press. All right. Press this up and see what happens. All right, take this out. Also, my mistake, my bad, it happens. I forgot my butcher paper to put over top of that. Put that over top of it so you don't get anything bleeding on your press. I'm gonna take this off and give it a second. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Oh yeah. Just be really careful because all this stuff is hot. Came out real nice. There you guys go. I'll hold that up in the camera so you guys can see. Worked on there. Like I said, I did my heat press for 390 at 45 seconds, and I lightened up the tension on the press. Let me hold this up for you guys. There you go. 100% cotton shirt using Caesar glitter vinyl, HTV vinyl. Like I said, I read up on it, didn't know if it was gonna work. It actually came out decent, so now, I mean, I could try tons of other things with this now. Not always gonna be doing sublimation. Like I said, I like plastisol, things like that. This is just for me on the side. But it actually worked. 100% cotton, glitter HTV. There you go. Put the heat press to 390 for 45 seconds. So, there you guys go. If you guys would like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll also be coming out with some more of my other content that's just for me, just for fun for my channel. Also, in a later video, I'm gonna actually try to get it. I'm gonna be moving from all my t-shirt equipment stuff out of this room and either into another room or to a garage that I have. So that'll probably be in later videos. So if my videos aren't coming up as much, that's because I'm moving, you know, things are going on. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.